Hello guys and welcome here. My name is Yassine. In today's video we are going to talk about how you can insert an Excel document inside of a Word document. So when I say inserting an Excel document, I don't just talk about inserting a chart or just, I really talk about how you can have an Excel document inside of your Word document. So this can be used for many purposes. If for example you have to submit you have to submit files or whatever. Inside of those files, you need to have calculations or you need to have a little application that does something. Well, instead of submitting an Excel document as well as a Word document, you can just submit a Word document that contains that Excel document inside of it. So let's see how this can work. So pretty simple. To be able to do that, first of all, well, you need to have your Word open. Then you'll need to go inside of your Insert tab right here. So here you'll have access to a lot of interesting things, but what we want to insert is a table. So you'll click on table right here, and here you'll have a choice between creating tables, inserting tables, and you have Excel spreadsheet. So you can just click on Excel spreadsheet, and what you'll be able to see right here is that it has created an Excel spreadsheet right there. What's cool also is that, as you can see here, it became an Excel document. So the Excel document is directly inside of Word. If I click on my Word page, let's say here for example, as you can see my document automatically gets transferred to Word. And if I click here, which is the Excel part of it, it automatically becomes an Excel document. So I can make it a little bit bigger to be able to see what I can do on it. There we go, so it's a bit larger. And now we can work with that document. So what exactly can I do with this document? Well, I can do pretty much anything that I want to do on Microsoft Excel. So I can even insert tables inside of that table. So if I want to insert a table here, I can insert it. You can also make calculations. So let's say you want to do 1 plus 1. Well, in this case, I'm going to write it down in the format of just one cell. So there we go. 1 plus 1. As you can see, it becomes 2. You can pretty much do anything that you want that you can do on a Excel document directly on this Excel spreadsheet right here. Another little example, so a calculator that I have created in one of my previous videos. I'm gonna take it here, copy it, and paste it right there. As you can see, all the calculations are automatically made. Everything works perfectly like inside of an Excel document. So as I said, this could be an amazing way for you if, for example, you have to submit, a document. Inside of that document, you need to have something that requires a lot of calculation, and you need to do that calculation in real time. Well, it's a good way to do that. Basically, insert your Excel document inside of your Word document and submit everything at once. And also, if you have a lot of sheets inside of your Excel document, well, you can also add the sheets right here. So as you can see, like I'm doing right there, so I'm adding more sheets. So it's becoming pretty much an Excel file. So to summarize what we just said, to be able to do that, I'll just do it again. So you just go inside of your Word document, you click on the Insert tab, you go on Table, and then go on Excel spreadsheet. You'll have access to your Excel file. Once you're on your Excel file, the moment you click on it, it will automatically give you all the options of Microsoft Excel directly inside of your Word document. So as you can see, an amazing way to work with Microsoft Excel directly inside of Word. So if you have found value in this video, if you liked it, don't forget to like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.